Hey everybody, I'm Kay with Crate Insider. I'm here today with Wade from Keizer Wheels. And Wade, you've got something new to show me.
Yep.
So tell me about this new product we're looking at.
Yeah, back at here at PRI this year, we have the balancers for the late models finally released. We did the sprint car stuff last year. After a summer of testing, we're all but dialed in on the late model style. So what it does is basically bolts into the face of the wheel using the existing hardware from our assembly, and takes all the thought out of it. It's an automatic balancer. Takes care of itself, bolt it in, don't think about it, get rid of all that shake, all that tire mess that we've been messing with, and yeah, make life easy for the guys.
Well, one thing you mentioned to me was that, like, if let's say like a big mud clod comes in and gets inside of the wheel, then this will actually it'll rebalance, right?
Yep. We'll have about 10 ounces of counterbalance. So, you know, if it's a pound of mud, we'll get almost all that canceled out. So yeah, it'll take care of itself on the go. As the tire wear, you know, comes into effect, it'll adjust for tire wear. Really give you a better tire wear. We're seeing chatter go away on some rubber down situations. So we're seeing a lot of benefits that we didn't realize were going to be there. So.
Well, I'm excited about it, and we'll have like a whole kit you can get from Crate Insider. Anything else that people need to know?
Price point for me will be about $300 for the teams. And yeah, a couple of them, they don't need one for every wheel. They can be moved around from wheel to wheel, so it's not like they have to get a huge inventory of them. You know, 4 of them is going to get a long ways for a team. And it's a bigger track situation, you know, and they get on a big track and that shake and the vibrations come into play. That's where it's going to shine.
Awesome. Well, thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you in another video.